Hello everyone! If you want to customize the information displayed on certain charts and provide more context for better understanding, then changing data labels in Excel is the best option for you. Moreover, it can be used for data analysis, reporting, data cleaning, and various other real-life applications involving data management and manipulation. This is Zehad Rian from Exceldemy, and today we'll learn 3 steps on how to change data labels in Excel. Before going into the steps, let's talk about the data set a bit. Here we have the number of weeks, their cells, and their growth in column B, C, and D. We'll be using Microsoft Excel 365 for this video. So without any further discussion, let's get started. At the very beginning, we need to determine the growth here in the column D. At first, we'll go for the D5 cell, and as it is the first value, we'll insert 0%. Now, from the D6 value, we need to insert the formula. Here, we'll go for the C6, then subtract C5 from it, and now we'll divide the whole thing with the help of C5. Click the enter button to get the result here. Use the fill handle option to get the same formula result for every cell. In our first step, we want to add chart in Excel. And to do that, we'll select the data area of B4 to C9 cell. Go for the Insert tab, and in the chart section, we'll go for the Insert column or bar chart. Here, in the 2D column section, we'll select the clustered column. After getting the chart, now we want to add data labels. To do that, at first we'll select the data chart, go for the chart elements. Now we'll find the data labels, and if we tick on it, then we'll get our perfect result. We can do the same by right-clicking on the bar chart, go for add data labels, and you'll get your perfect result by adding data labels in Excel. To change the data labels, at first we'll select the data labels, right click on it, go for the format data labels. At the right side of the window, you'll find format data labels. Go for the label options, and here you can insert the values from cells also. Tick on it, and you'll find the data label range dialog box. In this range, you'll select the new values you want to enter, which is from the values D5 to D9. If you click OK, then in the chart you have added the new values from cells. Now you will try to change the data label positions. So you'll go for the label position and change the section according to your wish. I'll select the center as my label position. So I have got the perfect result. To change the label alignment, we'll go for the size and properties. In the alignment section, we'll go for text direction. We can choose any of the values. We'll select rotate all text, and here we'll find your perfect result. If you want to change the fill and line, then go for the fill and line option. Here in the fill section, you'll go for the gradient fill to get the result here. You can also go for the coloring section to change color according to your wish. So that's it for today. You can follow these steps accordingly, or you can download the practice workbook from the link below. Hope this will help you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, please let us know in the comment section. Or you can have a glance at exceldemy.com. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.